This is question number 27 of GATE Mechanical Engineering set 2. The question is the surface integral 1 over pi 9x I cap plus 3y j cap dot n cap into ds over the sphere given by x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 9 is. So the equation of sphere is given here, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 9, or from here we can say that the radius of the sphere is 3. Now from the Gauss divergence theorem, we know that the surface integral over the surface S of a vector field into ds should be equal to the volume integral over the volume V of the divergence of F vector into dV. Okay. Now in this problem, F vector is equal to, it's given here 1 upon pi nx I cap minus 3y j cap. Okay, so F vector is given. Therefore the divergence of F vector, we can write divergence of F vector will be equal to 1 upon pi into partial derivative dou by dou x of 9x minus, or we can also write plus dou by dou y of minus 3y. Okay, so that's how we find the divergence of a vector field. So this will be equal to 1 upon pi into 9 minus 3, this will be 6 upon pi. So divergence of this vector field is 6 upon pi. Now we just substitute this divergence here, we'll get, therefore we can write 1 upon pi 9x I cap minus 3y j cap dot with the normal vector into ds over the surface S is equal to the volume integral over the volume V, which is a sphere in this case, of 6 upon pi, the divergence of F vector, into dV. So this will be equal to 6 by pi into the volume. Okay, and in this case the volume, let's find out the volume here, 4 by 3 pi r cube, and r we have already got the value 3. Now if we substitute this volume here, we'll get the surface integral of this function. Let's write 1 upon pi 9x I cap minus 3y j cap dot with the normal vector into ds will be equal to, so this is 6 upon pi into 4 by 3 into pi into 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. So we can cancel pi from here. This will be 9. And the value of this will be 216. Okay. So let's fill in the blank. So the surface integral of this function will be 216. For more on surface integral or the Gauss divergence theorem, you can refer to the NPTEL course lecture number 29, Surface Integrals, on lecture series on Mathematics 1 by Professor S.K. Rai of the Department of Mathematics and Statistics at IIT Kanpur.